Sorry we're late, guys. We were out turkey hunting.
Got a big one for you today.
Yup. Well, anyways, on this week's episode, it's gonna be a celebration.
It is National Turkey Day.
Yes. Let's get started. Happy Thanksgiving, GV.
We hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving this week.
So, Stylz, what are your Thanksgiving plans? I'm pretty curious.
I think I'm just gonna be eating with my family and just excited to watch this football game. What are your plans, Raif?
Well, obviously, I'm gonna give thanks and all that, but I'm really excited to eat some pumpkin pie with some Cool Whip on top.
W take. I'm more of an apple pie guy myself.
Yeah.
But
you know what, Stylz? I'm also curious. What are you thankful for?
I'm just thankful for being able to have the opportunity to live at this point. Just have opportunities. What are you thankful for?
Well, I'm thankful that I get to be a host on this show. It is a lot of fun. But I'm actually curious what GV is thankful for. So let's go find out.
What are you thankful for?
Yeah, I'm thankful for my football season this year. Yeah.
What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my chicken pom
What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my friends.
What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for a lot of things, my family, and being in an amazing place to work for.
I am thankful for my teacher, Ms. Belmar, and my friend, Morgan.
What are you thankful for?
My family and friends.
I'm thankful for.
Clean socks. Thankful for Logan.
I am thankful for my family and friends, but mostly for Morgan.
What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my students and my family at home.
I'm going to be asking where people are going for Thanksgiving. Who am I here with?
Addie George.
And Canvas Kephart. Where are you guys going for Thanksgiving?
I'm going to my grandma's house.
And I'm going to my grandpa's. Who am I here with?
Drake Farrell.
Where are you going for Thanksgiving this year?
My grandpops.
Hey Blake, where are you going for Thanksgiving?
My great-grandmother's house.
Greenberg, what are you doing for Thanksgiving this year?
Going to family, of course.
Wow, those are some real phenomenal answers.
Yes, there is a lot to be thankful for in this holiday season.
Thanksgiving dinners are always top tier, but I was wondering, Raif, do you ever cook those?
Honestly, bro, I really don't. I just eat the food for real. What about you, Stylz?
I'm not a chef myself, but I do wonder who the chefs are in GV.
Well, I wouldn't call them chefs, but they definitely cook something.
Let's check out the something our chefs cooked up.
I'm Haylie.
And I'm Olivia.
And today we're going to be making mug cakes.
We're going to show you 3 easy steps. And we're going to answer trivia questions about Thanksgiving along the way.
Yep. So let's get started. I have the recipe on my phone. So the first step is to add the dry ingredients to a microwave-safe mug. Flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Ooh, my mug's cute.
I don't know how much flour. Oh. Interesting way to do that.
Okay, your guys' first trivia question is, what year did a Charlie Brown Thanksgiving debut on television?
2001.
Is that right?
No.
1999.
You're getting closer.
Oh, 1998.
Nope.
Here.
It's
1979.
You're getting really close. Haley.
1950.
You're going too far.
1975.
Keep going closer to the 70s.
1973.
Yes.
I mean a little bit.
Here we measure with our hearts.
Yeah. Okay, so then sugar, baking powder, and salt. Is this the
Okay. Lots of it. Real sweet.
I'll grab the salt.
Okay.
How many people attend Thanksgiving Day parade?
1,506.
15,701.
Attend where?
The parade in Macy's, like Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade.
50,000.
Baking powder?
Okay, I'm gonna say it is higher than every answer you gave.
It's higher than 50,000.
20,000. Oh, wait.
Higher?
Higher.
100,000.
Go closer to the million range.
700,000.
3,000,005.
How much baking powder do you want?
It's 3,000,000.5, but you were close.
Out of 10, the Macy's. I'm so good.
Yeah.
3 million?
3,000,000.5 people.
What even is that Okay, what's our fruit or vegetable? I said fruit.
They grow from like a stem. Oh, they flower, so isn't it a fruit if it flowers?
And isn't it a fruit if they have seeds, or did I make that up?
It's a fruit.
Mine smells really good.
Oh,
I want mine.
mine is not.
I'm gonna add.
I did add a lot of salt
milk.
though.
If we add so much sugar, it can't not be good. You
I
know
think we
what
might
I
need
mean?
more than this.
No, that just makes it sweeter.
Yeah, just use the fork over
How
there.
much butter do you really need though?
I don't know. Never made one of these before.
I don't know if I have either.
Okay, what is an adult female
I feel like we need more
turkey
butter
called?
than this.
I'll just...
You can melt more. Or some of
A
it.
Ooh.
rooster. Oh wait, that's male chickens.
Wait, what is it?
A female turkey. What is it called?
Turkita.
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 Like
It is called a hen.
It's called a what?
A hen.
Oh,
A hen?
Yeah.
That's stupid.
I have turkeys on my work.
What is a male turkey called?
A turkey.
A turkey?
A tom.
Oh,
That was
Tom and a
stupid.
hen?
A tom and a hen.
Why are they
Mine's
not called
chunky.
turkeys?
Do we feel like we need more butter?
We could. Mine's so chunky.
I have no.
in yours.
Yeah. So we added all our dry ingredients.
Looks delicious.
And then we added all of our wet ingredients. And we mixed it all, and then now we're gonna pop her in the microwave.
Boom.
See what happens. This is where the magic happens.
Professional food critics.
Mm-hmm.
We used to be with Gordon Ramsay's restaurant, but we were too hard on the people, so he let us go. Wait, hold up.
No, you guys let him go, right?
How is it done?
Okay, first off, I can't even dig my spoon in this. It's like rock hard.
I think I'm about to cry, dude.
Is it really good?
The smell is just.
Guys,
It smells like a flat tire.
Mmm.
what do we think, Judge Ray?
How is it?
Actually, we're I got
Okay, wait.
No.
These ones are better. These ones are better. These ones are better.
How are those, guys?
Judge Ray just spit it all out. He loved it.
Never in my 17 years of being a food critic have I had to spit something out so vigorously.
Oh.
That one is garbage. Olivia Dixon made that.
This one is awful. I hope to never see this again.
Was there sunflower seeds in it?
No.
Okay, what did I just? What
Good
was?
golly.
Just
No,
wait.
wait.
We'll tell you
All
at the
these
end.
smell like tin cans of bounce.
Oh, that was-
dude.
Just eat it.
There was
Yeah.
no. I
It'll be
promise you
good.
there was wood chips in that. I
I'll tell you
swear.
guys at the end who's is who and what's in there.
This one's not bad.
better. This one's
Hey,
better, but
It
I
kind
think I
of
tried
reminds
that
me of like a rug, but it's not like. If it had more flavor, it'd
A
be
rug?
very good.
this is like
It's
edible
con-
Play-Doh.
Its consistency is pretty not horrible.
This is edible Play-Doh.
It's like a.
Oh,
It's like if you left out peanut butter outside and it melted a little bit almost, but like in a dough form.
In a good way.
If that makes sense. Like it makes me smack my mouth. It makes my mouth feel thick, but like
no. I got
it's
this.
not bad.
Next.
It's like if you left a waffle out, but you never toasted
Wait,
it.
would you eat again?
I would eat that again.
Never.
Haylie
made
Jennings
it?
made that.
Okay. This one's like cotton candy, chat. Or like a pancake.
No, this one's like
Put 'em on
spongy,
camera.
bro.
Look at this.
Well, I guess it's the thought that counts. But it was probably fun to cook.
Even if what you cooked didn't always come out edible.
That's true. Cooking is all just trusting the process, really.
But make sure you use measurements.
Yes, that is true.
Please.
Anyways, let's talk about Thanksgiving's biggest debate.
What is that?
The most important Thanksgiving question with only one right answer that tells a person everything you need to know about them. Stylz.
What?
Which do you think is better, ham or turkey?
Oh, easy ham.
Bro, it's literally turkey.
No, absolutely.
No, turkey is way
absolutely
better than
not,
ham.
bro.
Bro,
Ham is way more
you're
juicier.
telling me that you
ham
would
is juicier.
Eat
and
ham?
ham is
Bro,
way
no,
more convenient.
turkey is
They
you
always
can do
have
so
no,
much more things
no.
with turkey, bro.
We're out to see all the correct-minded people on which one's better between ham or turkey. And me personally, I'm a ham guy, so we'll go ham.
Turkey's better than ham.
Absolutely not. We're not. Lay it on me, boy. Ham or turkey?
Ham, all the way.
Yes, sir.
Hey, to be exact, pineapple glazed ham.
Yep, he knows what's up. That's one. That's one for the tally. Okay, Colton. This is a dire question you'd answered. On a Thanksgiving day, which one are you going with, ham or turkey?
I'm gonna go with turkey.
Good boy.
It's 1-1, but he's incorrect. It's okay though.
Ham or turkey?
Yes.
Yes.
What? Day, which one are you choosing, ham or turkey?
Oh, ham, easily.
That's my dog. He knows what's up. Thanksgiving Day, you have 2 options of meats to choose from. Are you choosing ham or turkey?
Turkey.
Yes. Good choice. Question.
What?
It's Thanksgiving Day. You have one meat in front of you. Do you want it to be ham or turkey?
Ham.
Bro, are you serious?
Bro, what do you mean?
You're just gonna walk away from me after saying that?
That was it.
Today I'm here with Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball, I have a really important question. Ham or turkey?
Oh, turkey.
Oh, let's go. That's my guy. So last time we had Coach Herbert, we asked Coach Herbert a question, but now we have his famed son, Owen Herbert, and we're gonna ask him a very important question. Turkey or ham?
Just give this one some thought.
Yes.
Some good thought.
I'm gonna go with ham.
So if you were sitting at the Thanksgiving table and there was only one food in front of you, would you rather it be turkey or ham?
Ham, 100%.
Bro, what is going on with these people, bro? Turkey's no, okay.
Savannah?
I'm gonna keep my opinion to myself. Savannah, turkey or ham? Answer right now. There's one right answer.
Turkey.
Yes. Put her there.
This is a very important question we have for you today. You're at Thanksgiving, right? You have 2 meats in front of your face. Which one are you eating? Ham or turkey?
Ham.
That just settled it, folks. Ham is your clear winner. Everyone who said ham is better, congrats on answering the question correctly.
Everyone who said ham is better, congrats on being wrong.
Okay, moving on from this debate, even though I'm right.
Well, we hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. And remember, there's always a reason to be thankful for, even after Thanksgiving. Stylz, I just want to say I'm thankful for you.
Oh, Raif, I'm thankful for you too, buddy.
Bring it in, buddy. Even though that you think that ham is better, which just isn't true.
Well, the thing that I'm thankful for is everyone being able to have an opinion, even
Alright.
if you're wrong.
All right, whatever you say. Throughout the rest of this week, try and come up with things that you are thankful for.
We hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode of GVTV.
Yup, and we'll catch you next time. And remember, turkey is better than ham.